Hello everyone, it's Recharger here, and today we have something new that don't think I have opened ever before. So this is a NOREV Dodge Charger, but it doesn't say Dodge, so I think it's not licensed. It's 143 scale. Well, this says Ford and Renault and Mercedes, so I'm not fully sure. Why it says just Charger, it doesn't say a year, it doesn't say Dodge Charger. Kind of make icon there, I don't know, NOREV. Yeah, so something new for me. Let's just get it opened. Oh, it does have way a lot quite, which is shouldn't be that surprising to me, but it is. One thing I do know, these things come with plastic wheels. That is the only thing I do know. Okay, so this one also has a plastic base, but it weighs like a ton. It is crazy how heavy this thing is. I'll have to clean it up because there's some residue on it or something. I don't know, it's fine. I'll clean it off afterwards. So we have this matte finished roof. The car itself is like this gloss, black gloss. There's mirrors that are forged together into the mirror into that bit where the window is. Interior looks pretty basic. I can't show you because the sunlight, like the daylight, is going in there. So yeah, the wheels are very, very basic, as you can see, and also they're plastic. But from the side, it looks pretty good. The rims look pretty nice. They could do a black wash, but it's fine. I'm not gonna temper with these things. We have the full. So the front end is from, by the looks of it, either the 68 or the 70 version. Okay, this is the 68 version, because the 68 version had these round headlights. The 69 has the big ones on the back, and the 71 also has the big ones on the back, but it has the opened front, like this, like the full one. And the 69 has the split front. There's also some vents changes, of course, and stuff like that, but cool, actually, because I didn't have a 68. Oh, it does say Dodge Charger on the bottom, though. Oh, there's also some telemetry right there. That's cool. 143. Has a bit of rub on one of the wheels, but does roll super well. And like I said, it's very heavy. I'm really shocked how heavy this thing is. So yeah, there you go. NOREV Dodge Charger. I actually don't know which wheel is rubbing now. At the back one. It's one of the back ones. It's rubbing against the arch inside. Can't hear there, but can hear that sound here. Yeah, there you go. Overall, it's not bad. It wasn't expensive also, it was very cheap. So if you plan to get some NOREVs, they're not too bad because the price is not that bad. Like I said, pretty heavy for a plastic basin. So I think the metal is just very heavy. But yeah, I hope you liked the video. Leave a like if you did. Subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.